Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add already installed game to Epic Games. I show you how to do it. You just need to click on the three dot icon next to any game and select manage option and select this folder icon and go back to Epic Games. This is the game installation location, and now I'm gonna do this tutorial for this Fall Guys. So I'm gonna copy this file and paste it in another drive. After pasting it, just gonna uninstall the game. After uninstalling it, just need to select the Fall Guys, select the install option and select the browse option. And now select the file location where you want to save this game and right click on the drive and select new and select a folder. Name it as Epic Games 2 and press enter. And now select the folder and select the select folder option and select the install option. And now it started installing, guys. After you get this 1 or 2% installation, select this pause icon and open up File Explorer. And as you can see, this is the Epic Games 2. We newly installed the Fall Guys game. Go back to the game we packed up. Just double click on the game folder and copy all these files. You can cut the files and paste it in this Epic Games 2 newly created folder. Just paste it in, and after pasting it, just close stuff here and select the resume option in the game, and it's gonna be verify your game not gonna install at all, guys. As you can see it installing, but it is only 100 Mbps. The original game size is 6 GB. And now as you can see, after the 100 MB installed, you can able to launch the game without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.